This is the Desmond Show.
We're back home.
Yes.
Home sweet home.
I'm so tired.
Oh, I had fun.
I had fun too. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed myself.
I love you so much.
I love you too. I had so much fun, you know. I feel like there's something you're not telling me because we can't just spend 3 days with all those fun, the boat cruise, the Chinese restaurant, you know, the luxury just for nothing.
That is why I'm your boyfriend. Oh, baby.
Seriously, baby. You want to tell me something?
Sometimes, not too really.
You want to tell me something?
Yes, I want to tell you something.
What do you want to tell
I
me?
want to get a drink for us.
A drink? Are you kidding me? After 3 years of my life, for a drink? I knew it. Is that your mother? I know she does not like me. She doesn't even like me. She's a wicked woman. She doesn't like me. Shut up!
Will you turn around and look at this?
Keep quiet! Keep quiet! I know he's not your uncle. All he does is beg and beg and beg. Come here and beg for money all the time. He will come inside and eat the food. Eat food, and watch me over and over again. And then your sister with her teeth like you.
Keep
I said keep quiet! Keep quiet, John! Then your sister, all she does is pink. She comes to the house and use all the plates, use all the dishes. She's good for nothing. That's your family are good for nothing. I'm too posh for you people. I'm too hot for you. That's why even for you.
Will you keep quiet and turn around and see this? It's okay. Everybody please come outside. Everybody come outside.
Mama.